Most small service business owners think they have a lead problem. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, they actually have a follow-up problem. A potential customer calls. Nobody answers. A quote gets sent. Nobody follows up. A past customer forgets about the business. Nobody reaches out. And that's exactly why choosing the right CRM matters. In this video, you'll learn what makes a CRM effective for lead generation, which types of CRMs help service businesses attract and convert more customers, and how to choose the best option for your situation in 2026. Let's get straight into it. A CRM is more than a place to store customer information. The right CRM helps you capture leads, organize communication, automate follow-ups, and increase conversions. If your goal is getting more leads and turning those leads into paying customers, automation becomes incredibly important. Down? For example, imagine Alex owns a pressure washing business. A homeowner requests a quote online. If Alex responds within minutes, his chances of winning the job increase significantly. But here's the problem. Most small business owners are busy running jobs and serving customers. They can't sit by the phone all day. That's why many modern CRMs focus on automated communication. When a lead comes in, the system can trigger responses, reminders, appointment confirmations, and follow-up messages automatically. That's a small improvement that can create a major increase in conversions. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Getting new leads is only half the equation. The easiest leads to generate are often the customers you already have. Imagine Jake owns a lawn care company. He completed work for 100 customers last year. If even a fraction of those customers book again, that's revenue generated without spending additional money on advertising. This is where customer retention tools become valuable. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake most business owners make when choosing a CRM. But first, let's talk about CRM categories. Some platforms focus primarily on operations. They help manage scheduling, invoicing, estimates, and team coordination. Other platforms place greater emphasis on customer communication, reviews, marketing automation, and follow-up systems. Neither approach is automatically better. The right choice depends on your biggest business challenge. This is where most people fail. They choose software based on feature lists instead of business goals. If your leads are slipping through the cracks, prioritize automation and follow-up capabilities. If your business struggles with organization and scheduling, operational tools may deliver a greater return. The best CRM for generating more leads is usually the one that helps you respond faster, follow up consistently, and stay connected with customers over time. Because leads don't just come from advertising. They come from better systems. Now you understand what actually drives lead generation and customer conversion inside a CRM. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more service business growth strategies, and let me know in the comments what your biggest challenge is right now when it comes to generating more leads.